This is my bathtub. Basically, water is leaking. Basically, New Jersey water has a lot of mineral. So it looks like every couple years you gotta change. So you need to know how to change it. This valve or stamp, whatever. Alright? Let me figure out how to change this bathtub water valve leaking. Let me start main water supply first. Entire house. Alright. Let's disassemble first. Basically, I need to take out this stamp, not this. I need to lose this whole stamp. So basically, previous plumber put the putty around it, so I need to dig it out. This is the best of Faucets is basically very difficult to come out. I gotta take it out. Somebody suggested you gotta cut off, and the whole valve system is needed exchange, but that's gonna be a lot of job. So I need to figure out how to take it out this valve stamp. Anyhow, I have to try. Alright, let's see. Let me put some WD-40 sit on here. Hopefully for loosen up.
Oh my goodness, what the hell is this?
Oh my goodness, thank God. Keep trying, and it finally came out. Released. Finally released. Thank God. How long this old house was, I don't know. Was like this. So let's put some W240. Alright. More. Oh my dang God. Now it comes out. Now it comes out. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see this guy. Oh my goodness, shit. Oh my goodness. Completely broken. Something broken inside. What is this whole thing? Something broken completely. Oh my goodness. This is completely broken. Basically, this was like this. Inside, lot of stuff. Everything is broke down. Did you see? I think seat is still alright. Let's take another side now. Okay, another side now. Challenge another side. Please come out easily. Alright? Oh yeah, please. God help me. Please. Come out easily, please. Oh my goodness. Same thing happened. Let me give it some massage. Alright? No massage. Looks like this has a different seat, basically. Oh my goodness. The seat is damaged. Basically, this seat is worn out. So, let me change this one. Alright. This seat came out. Something different a little bit. And look at this. Completely worn out. Really. I see. Completely worn. Alright. So let's check it out. I was lucky. Very difficult to find this antique loyal valve stem. Alright, was lucky. Alright. So, and don't throw away all the stuff. Probably you need another stuff. This. Alright. So let's install new valve stem. Loyal valve stem. I see. Alright. First the seat thread was matched. So went shop again and changed another one. Very difficult to find the exact size. Hope this is fit. So let me install first of all valve seat. Put the plumbing grease over it. Now let's install stem. This also. Put the grease. Let's tighten up. Not fit. Oh, my handle is not fit. Handle is not fit. Now I close the valve and all the setup the valve stems. So let me find out water is leaking or not. Alright, let's turn on the main water supply. Let's try water is coming out or not. Like water is leaking this way. This one. You need to tighten up. Let me leaking. What's the reason leaking? Okay, was handle didn't fit with new one, so I got the new handle. All right, so what the heck? One side is going in, but the other one is not going in. Oh my goodness. Again. This insert area is different. Oh my goodness. Please. Again. Now, problem is leaking from gasket. So store guy says just need to tighten up the nut, this one, until nut leaks. Let me see it works or not. This is wiggling basically, so let's tighten up. Let me see what it says. From all the stuff, then we put it in.
Sorry.
From plumbing shop, recommend this thread. Let's put it in and tighten up until what? Tighten up until watertight. Not wiggling. No, not wiggling much. There you go. Not much wiggling. Now water is on, so let's see leaking or not. Not leaking on the cold water side. And turn off. Let me see hot water side. Not a leaking so far. I think it's alright. It's good, working. So I got another new handle. Basically, this is the final step. So all set. So you gotta remember, local hardware store is very important. Replace this old like a stamp, valve stamp. I think very difficult to find on the internet exact one. You don't know what brand it is. So I brought the old valve stamp to my local shop. Name is Cologne Hardware at the Patterson. Those staff was fantastic. They helped me out, a lot of tips and yeah, many stuff. Of course, I went back and forth to get the exact part, but that was worth it. Finally, all fixed up. I'm very happy today. All right, happy Father's Day.